Think you need a fancy cafe to enjoy great coffee? Think again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make incredible coffee at home. The kind that tastes better than what you get from most coffee shops. And yes, without any expensive equipment or barista training. Whether you're brewing for yourself, surprising a guest, or just trying to save money, this guide is all you need to turn your kitchen into your own personal cafe. Let's be real, we all love a good cup of coffee. But standing in line, paying $5 a cup, and getting something average? Not anymore. By the end of this video, you'll know how to brew a cup that's not only cheaper, but richer, fresher, and way more satisfying than what most cafes serve. Let's jump in. Everything starts with the beans. Coffee is only as good as what you brew with. Always buy whole beans, not pre-ground. Why? Because whole beans retain their flavor much longer. Once coffee is ground, it starts to lose its aroma and richness in just hours. Look for freshness. Pick beans roasted within the last 2 to 4 weeks. Roast style. Choose based on your taste. Light roasts are brighter and more acidic, while dark roasts are bolder and smokier. Origin. Single origin beans often offer more unique, nuanced flavors. If you want to explore flavor profiles, this is where to start. Now that you've got the beans, let's talk grind. Freshly grinding your beans right before brewing is key. A burr grinder gives you even, consistent grounds, unlike a blade grinder, which chops unevenly and messes with your flavor. Your grind size matters. Coarse, great for French press. Medium, ideal for drip or pour over. Fine, perfect for espresso or AeroPress. Match the grind to the method and you'll instantly taste the difference. We don't talk about water enough, but it's a make or break factor. If your tap water smells or tastes funny, your coffee will too. Use filtered water when possible. And don't guess on temperature. For the perfect extraction, heat your water to around 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just under boiling. Too hot, and you'll burn the grounds. Too cold, and your coffee will taste flat and lifeless. If you don't have a thermometer, just boil the water and let it sit for about 30 seconds before pouring. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to brewing. Here are 3 easy methods to try. No barista degree required. French press. Rich, heavy, and full-bodied. Steep for about 4 minutes, press slowly, and enjoy. Ideal for those who love bold, robust coffee. Pour over, like V60 or Chemex. Clean and crisp with distinct flavor notes. Go slow with the pour. Circular motion. Best for appreciating the unique qualities of your beans. AeroPress. Fast, smooth, and versatile. Easy to use and clean. Perfect for travel or quick brews. Great for experimenting with different ratios. Bonus. Even your basic drip coffee maker can make a great cup if you use the right beans, grind, and water. Want to impress your taste buds even more? These small tricks make a big difference. Warm your mug before pouring. Keeps your coffee hotter, longer. Try natural flavor add-ins like a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or a drop of vanilla. Froth your milk at home with a handheld frother, French press plunger, or even shaking hot milk in a jar. Use a digital scale for precise coffee-to-water ratios. A common golden ratio is 1:15. That's 1 gram of coffee for every 15 grams of water. And there you have it, a delicious, cafe-style cup of coffee made right in your own kitchen. No more overpriced cups. No more guessing. Just great coffee made simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves coffee as much as you do. Drop a comment and let me know. What's your go-to brewing method? Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, smart, and satisfying home hacks. Until next time, stay caffeinated and stay inspired.